Hey friends, if you wish to change inches to centimeter in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now the options have changed. Earlier we had the word option here. We could simply click on it, preferences and all. If you still find it, it's well and good, but I don't think it is available in many versions. So here's what you can do. Click on File, select Options, go to Advanced, and then scroll down to the Display section. Okay. Now it says show all measurements in units of, by default it is inches. You can change it to centimeters and click on OK, and that's how you can use it. Okay, but I actually prefer inches because that's how it was originally made. So I'll tell you what the difference is. Now if I ask you what is the distance of the upper margin to the point where we start writing, or the left margin or this right margin, then it is in inches. Okay, but now that I have changed it into centimeters, I could have done that in the sense of centimeter itself. But the default one is inches, and here's what I would have done. I would have gone to options, advanced, and then display. And for my purpose, I would have kept it at inches, but that is your choice. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.